In 2024, I was able to start my own pickup and delivery laundry business without owning a laundromat. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can too, okay? So when it comes to owning your own pickup and delivery business, when it comes to getting into the laundromat space, when it comes to, the barrier of entry, most of the time people think that I have to spend money on a laundromat, $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, even $1 million on a laundromat to get into the laundry space. But we're in 2024. We're in, a time where technology is always growing, innovating, and outpacing, the way humans think. So it's one of those things where if you understand the business model of you can have a laundry business without owning a laundromat, you can make money from laundromats without having to own them yourself. And the business model goes a little something like this. You can partner with existing laundromats. The thing about laundromats is some of them are self-serve and some of them are full-serve. Self-serve pretty much just means you go and do the laundry yourself. There's no attendant there. There's nobody there that checks you in. There's nobody there that greets you. You walk in, you do the laundry, and then you just leave. Full serve is pretty much like they have washer and dryers, they have an attendant, they have somebody that can answer questions, they have somebody that can do wash and fold. And it's one of those things where there's an employee hired by the laundromat to sit there and work for the laundromat. The thing is, whether they're a full serve or a self-serve, you can make money off of them. If they're a self-serve, meaning there's nobody there, you can partner with that laundromat to hire an employee or to just be there yourself and be doing laundry. You can get somebody to volunteer, somebody who likes to do laundry, somebody who, enjoys doing laundry, somebody that's willing to get paid for you. You can put an ad in Craigslist that says, hey, I pay you $50 a day, $100 a day to sit there and do laundry for 5 hours. It's one of those things where you can hire somebody to sit there and do laundry for you. You hire them and they work in the place. That's a laundromat that doesn't have a staff. So you have a laundromat that doesn't have a staff. You put your own type of staff in there, and then you can have them doing laundry the whole day. And what happens is when people book on your app, when people book on your website, when people book a period, your driver goes and picks up and drops it off to the laundromat, and your employee is there doing the laundry. Or if you don't want to hire your own employees, if you don't want to do all the work yourself, you simply could be the driver, or you just hire a driver, or you could even have your app that you use integrate with DoorDash so that the driver is automatically through DoorDash. It's one of those things where the driver can be paid for and hired by somebody else, and so you just outsource it. The attendant can be outsourced because you can even go to a full serve place where the person will wash, dry, and fold the clothes for you, and they have their own employees, they have their own attendants, and all you have to do is just drop up the clothes and then come and pick up the clothes, and the clothes are already done. You don't have to worry about sitting there for 5 hours. You don't have to worry about anything. But pretty much what you want to do is you find a laundromat that's full serve, right? One that has an employee that they're doing the work already. They provide wash, dry, and fold. And then you pretty much just drop off the clothes to them, and then you pick it up when it's ready. So on your website, if they charge $150 to do the work, the full service, you charge $250. And when a customer books your service, you drop it off to them. They charge you $150, and then you come back and take it back to the customer. You charge them $250. You're making $1 per pound each transaction. So if it's $14 per load, not only is it all taken care of, but the $14 goes in your pocket, plus tips, plus anything else. So if you get a commercial contract that's 100 loads a day, you're doing $100 a day, just not even doing anything, not even lifting a finger, okay? So it's one of those things where you can get a free laundromat by partnering with other laundromats. You can get a free laundromat by going and leasing them if you wanted to. You can go get a free laundromat by watching some of my other videos. But at the end of the day, you don't have to buy your own laundromat, and you don't have to hire your own employees, and you don't have to have your own drivers, because there's multiple ways that you could do it nowadays, okay? So if you want to know more about how you can get a free laundromat, if you want to know more about how you can start your wash, dry, and fold, watch some of my other videos.